Auto home insurance, ways to cut down your premiums across policies. Defensive driving or any other special driving program approved by your insurer will get you discounts. The reason is simple: defensive drivers are trained to drive safer. This is particularly important for high-risk profiles. Being certified as a defensive driver will save a young driver thousands in premiums in a few years. Therefore, do your best to get trained in defensive driving from a recognized center. And don't forget to tell your agent once you complete the course. It's easy to save a few $100s on a home but lose thousands over the years on auto insurance because of its location. Also note that a neighborhood not too far away might fall under a lower crime zone than yours. This affects rates. So check with your agent before you commit to a new home. The truth is that most people don't think about this when they are about buying a home. But think about it. If your new zip code adds up to $300 to your annual auto insurance rate, how much would that amount to at the end of a 30-year mortgage period? It's more expensive and needless to insure the land on which your house is standing. A good number of folks pay much more than they should on home insurance on account of this mistake. You've made the same mistake if you insured your home for the price you bought it without checking the cost of the land it's standing on and deducting it. If you made this mistake, quickly meet with your agent and check through your coverage. Deduct the cost of the land and you'll discover that you will need far less coverage. Your premium will be less and you'll still have enough coverage if you do this right. If you choose to pay your premiums monthly, you will pay higher rates. True, making monthly payments might be less stressful, but it is also less affordable. If you do transaction with banks, you will agree with me that each check you process is regarded as a transaction which attracts charges. For 12 checks, that is, your monthly payments, you have a total of 12 transactions. This means that transaction fees will be 12 times more for those who make monthly payments. Besides, there are also administrative costs that come with the monthly payment option. A good example of such is the expense associated with sending out payment notices. These are more than added to your rate, thereby making it higher than if you paid annually. In addition to the tips discussed earlier, don't forget that buying both your home and auto insurance policies from the same insurer qualifies you for a multi-policy discount. Get many more tips that will help you cut down your overall insurance costs by up to 50% at q4l.org. One more thing, save a lot of money. Get and compare quotes from many top insurers at q4l.org. q4l.org.